Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
This child arrived begging the woman sitting in the car. Then what did he see that he gave his day's earnings to that woman? The case is of Nairobi in the African country of Kenya, where a beggar child begging people sitting in vehicles stopping near a traffic signal. When a boy begging in the streets of Kenya went to a car close to begging, and when he saw the condition of a human sitting in the front seat of the car, he started crying uncontrollably in his sympathy. Emotional photos of that child are becoming viral on social media. The case is of Nairobi in the African country of Kenya, where a beggar child begged people sitting in vehicles stopping near traffic signals. On this day too, when one woman came to the begging near the people sitting in the car, he saw a woman sitting next to the driver's seat in the front seat of the car with oxygen mask and other body equipment on her face. When asked about the woman, and after that her feelings became uncontrollable and tears came out of her eyes. The lady of this begging boy is little John Thuo, and the woman in the car was named Gladys Kamande. John's emotions forced him to cry, realizing that although his life on the streets was extremely difficult, Gladys's situation was worse than it was at the time. After which he raised his hands and started asking God to help the woman. These moments were extremely emotional, which people captured in their cameras. Gladys told a local media that I've been sick for a long time and I need surgery, for which some of my friends had come out in the car to ask for help from people on the streets to raise money for my surgery. But this boy came out of our car and started asking for money from us. Weeping, John donated 100 shillings raised by begging for Gladys's lung construction surgery by that time. The 32-year-old Gladys's lungs had become useless, due to which she always has to keep the oxygen cylinder with her. Gladys has undergone 12 surgeries so far, but one surgery stripped her of her eyes, after which she became blind. After this incident, John did not go by Gladys and threw away the bottle of drugs he used to take the drugs. The woman then took responsibility for Gladys and sent her to the children's home to take over. The woman promised that when she recovers, she'll definitely come to him. As soon as this news went viral on social media, several generous donors came forward who raised 3 million shillings to help Gladys. Gladys has undergone surgery and is now well, and has also adopted John. This is an accurate reflection of humanity in this age, which shows compassion and kindness to one human being to another. This gives us a lesson that as a human being, we must help other human beings, even if the help is small, but it certainly is. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.